Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to charge the Tesla Model 3. First, identify your charging port, located on the left side of the vehicle's rear. You'll primarily use the Tesla Mobile connector for home charging, which plugs into standard outlets. For faster home charging, consider installing a Tesla Wall connector. Public charging is available through Tesla's supercharger network and various third-party stations. Always ensure the connector is fully inserted for a secure charge. For home charging, you have a few excellent options. The mobile connector is versatile, allowing you to plug into a standard 120-volt household outlet for about 3 miles of range per hour. Upgrading to a 240-volt outlet with the mobile connector significantly boosts this to around 30 miles of range per hour. For the quickest home charge, the Tesla Wall connector is ideal, providing up to 44 miles of range per hour, ensuring your Model 3 is ready for any journey. When you're on the go, Tesla's supercharger network is your fastest option, capable of adding up to 200 miles of range in about 15 minutes. These are perfect for long trips. You'll also find destination chargers at various hotels and restaurants, providing convenient charging while you enjoy your stay or meal. Additionally, with a suitable adapter, your Model 3 can utilize third-party charging networks, expanding your charging possibilities even further across the country. To maintain your Tesla Model 3 battery health, it's generally best to charge to about 80% for daily driving. Reserve a full 100% charge for those longer road trips where you need maximum range. Always monitor your charging status through the Tesla app for convenience. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Happy driving and enjoy the seamless charging experience with your Model 3.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.